Hello guys, we are back with another haul today. So I went over to Daiso. So Daiso is basically the Japanese dollar store and it is amazing. Everything is about $1.75. So whereas our regular Dollar Trees, those are usually about $1.25. So it's a little bit more expensive, but they have a lot of really cute things. And so I thought I would check them out and see what it was that I could find there. So let's dive on in. As I was walking through, they have lots of plushies and they have lots of organizational things for your office or your work environment. For the home, they have a little bit of everything there, which is fun. So you feel like you're going to miss something if you don't go down every single aisle, you know. So it was a lot of fun. And as I was there, I found a few things that are not all crochet or yarn related, but I felt like they were still crafty related or things that I should share here on the channel. So let's dive in and see what it is that I came home with. So the first thing is actually what you guys are sitting on right now. And this is a foldable smartphone stand. So if you create content like I do, I've seen things like this. I keep getting advertisements for them. Just another way to hold your phone for you. But this was about $3.25. So they do have things that are more than the $1.75 that all the other items are. But there are some things that are higher priced, just like in any dollar store, right? So this was $3.25, but it's really handy. It actually folds up. You can have it like a tripod. You can have it up higher in the air. You can fold it and stick it in your pocket. So as you can see, it's got a lot of different ways that you can use it, and it's very portable. So I highly recommend this. Now I am also going to be working on some needle felting. So I did find a nice little foam board here that came with one of those little needle felting tools as well. Now, because we all need to have a nice home office that we enjoy being in, and it is around Halloween time, they did start putting out their Halloween decorations. I was very excited about this. And I like to use these to decorate with my Amis. So there are little chairs, like there's a little table that's a pumpkin and a little cat that's a little chair. So Amis could sit on top of them, you know, so a little decorational stand for your little plushies. I thought that was cute. This is another one. This could also be used at a fair. So sometimes it's nice when you're selling at a market if you actually have different Amis in different places other than just on a rack, you know. You want to have them kind of doing things, whether that's putting chickens or chicken eggs in a little egg carton, just something that kind of is unique and draws the eye. And I thought this little chair, this little wire chair, would be absolutely perfect for a little round Ami to sit in, and it's going to make things more grabbable, like, oh, I want to have that, you know, so I can have that at home. So I grabbed that for fairs. More Halloween-y decorations, you guys. This one I have to put together. It's a little wooden chair here, but this is just like a bunting banner or little banner that I can hang up. Another tool for needle felting. So this one's got 2 needles on there. Now this I got because it's fun when we make Amis, especially for my Yummy Cats. I've been trying to get different things I can put them in. So the baby nanner that I just showed you guys, look how cute he's gonna be in those, like in these little sundae cups. I thought those were perfect. So I'm excited to take some photos of him in those. Little beanbag chair. They have a lot of little things that you can, like home looking things, almost like little doll stuff that you can put things on. So again, Plushy Central for fairs. They do have Crochet Supplies, okay, you guys? So I got a couple of different hooks from them. I got a 7mm. This is just some sort of plastic, but it's a nice 7mm hook. This is what the size hook that I use when I use Bernat blanket yarn, or any kind of blanket yarn for that matter. So this will be good to try out. I've got a 5mm, and this one comes in the nice little rubber sleeve here. So we'll give that one a shot. Now I got these. These are just little notes. So these are organizational, but they're cats. Look how cute. So this is a refill pack, the little note cards with cats, and then these are the little thinner note cards, and it comes in a little case and gives you some extras. These I thought would be really cute actually as hooks if you wanted to make the little soot sprite into a keychain. So the soot sprites are usually holding little stars. So I thought this would be so cute to add a little keychain so you could make this into a backpack buddy. I'll go ahead and put the link to the tutorial to make this little soot sprite up in the cards above. But I thought this was perfect. I'd been actually looking for those. So I was like, what the heck, they've got it. Cool, I'll grab that while I'm at it. These are just fun. These are just little Halloween guys. Look at those, you guys. They had these actually sitting on the little chair I was showing you. And I thought, oh, that's cute. Little kitty cat. Just fun. Fun things, you know. I have noticed in my last live that I was actually working on this messenger bag. And I've been thinking about how I wanted to do the closures on it. And I think these might be a good way to do a closure for a purse. So it's the snap magnetic closures. So I'm going to give that a go and see if these will work out okay. So they had that available. Little box cutter that's in the shape of a cat. Everything's a cat, right? And it's black like my Merlin. So I figured, why not? I'm going to grab it. They do sell stuffing, you guys. Okay, so I'm curious to see how their stuffing is. If it's the same as just a polyester fiber fill, or is more like a batting. So we'll take that out and do a little review on that. And then for the yarns, time for yarn. Okay, so I found this one is an acrylic yarn and it's in the color mustard. Isn't that nice? It's very soft. It's almost like feels like a cross between a wool and an acrylic to me. But I thought this would make something that's really pretty. I like that mustard yellow tone. So this one, just one skein. I got one skein of this cake. It's a mixed cake macaroons. And I felt like this might be a good one to do a scarf or something for my daughter. So it's called mixed cake macaroons, but look at all the cute colors that are in that. It's like two colors twisted around, right? Mostly this kind of like a pale gray tone, and then you get this other variegated color that goes around it. So I thought this was cute. For my son, and I've never done these sort of, you know, split tier kind of coloration cakes before. And I thought this would also make a really nice scarf for him. So he's very excited about it, but I found this. His favorite color is blue. And this one is, it's just 80 grams. And it's a knitting yarn, but look at those pretty colors. And they show you, there's a picture on the side that kind of shows you how it works up. Yeah, so I thought this would be perfect for a scarf for anyone who likes the color blue. And then I've got two more, and I need your help because I have no idea what kind of yarn this is and what I should make with it. But I am hoping that if you guys have any ideas that you'll post them in the comments below, okay? So the brand is called Lefty. This one is sort of a lavender purple tone, and then I got one that's white as well, like an off-white tone. It's an interesting sort of a thread interwoven together. Anyways, so hopefully we can figure out a project to use for this because I have no idea. I've never seen this before. But it's kind of lacy looking, and hopefully we can figure out something that I can use with this. So that's these two. And that's it. That was my little haul from Daiso, and I'm really excited to try these things out with you guys. So let me know if you'd like me to do a review on the products that you've seen today, and I will go ahead and do that next. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. If you have a Daiso in your area, I highly recommend checking them out. They do have everything out for Halloween, so it's lots of fun for those of us who like to decorate for the seasons. All right, have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're let know every time I post a new haul video, go live, or any other crochet video. We love crochet around here at Frisbee Bee Crochet. See you next time. Bye.